Parason is provided as pumping system. Designing and 3D modeling was done by them with on-ground support of piping, and installation and commissioning was done by them. Pulping system is completely efficient, and all the knowledge transfer of the process has been done efficiently by them. We have Parason forming machines. Parason forming machines are designed in a robust way. The machines are durable and the forming system is uniquely designed. It makes product finishing very nice, and the production quality and output are very high.
We are Parason.